Hello everyone! Now we are at Taman Beji Waterfall, Badung. We are going to perform a traditional from the Balinese people called Melukat. Before we start, let me introduce my wonderful team. Starting from me, my name is May Agustin.
My name is Dutsa.
My name is Rian.
My name is Meli.
My name is Agi.
So, join with us in our exciting activities today.
Check it out!
Taman, Beji, Griya Waterfall is in Banyer, Trinadi, Abiansmil, Badung, Bali. It's about a 45-minute drive from Demp. Once you arrive, there's a spacious parking area. It's 5,000 rupiah for motorbikes and 10,000 rupiah for cars, free for locals with a Bali ID. Before starting the Melukat ritual, visitors must buy a ticket. Rates 200,000 rupiah for domestic and international tourists, 50,000 rupiah for students in Bali, and free for Balinese Hindus. Before the prayer ritual, we prepare the bantan. The ritual starts at the entrance, where you'll be cleansed with holy water, marking your entry into a sacred space. Then, you'll offer your first kanang. The journey continues down the steps to the second prayer site, surrounded by a serene and natural landscape. You'll likely encounter other visitors already participating in the Melukat ritual. Taman Beji Waterfall is not only famous for the Melukat ritual, but also for its extraordinary natural beauty, surrounded by lush trees and the fresh mountain air. This waterfall offers breathtaking views. At one sacred point, you will find a row of statues of Hindu deities, where kanang offerings are made to ask for permission before continuing the cleansing ritual. These include Goddess Saraswati, symbol of knowledge and wisdom. Goddess Lakshmi, symbol of prosperity and wealth. Goddess Ganga, symbol of purity and spiritual cleansing. Ida Batari Rambat Sadhana, symbol of abundance. God Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, and several other deities. Don't be surprised if you hear laughter or shouting. It's part of the Melukat ritual. By releasing sound, we eliminate negative energy, open our hearts, and connect with nature. Melukat at Taman Beji Waterfall, Bali is a unique and profound spiritual experience. This ritual not only cleanses the body and mind, but also helps you connect with the power of nature and attain true inner peace. If you are looking for an experience that offers not only natural beauty, but also deep spiritual benefits, then Taman Beji Waterfall is a must-visit place.
It's all our video about Melukat. Thank you for watching.
Dadah! See